Welcome back everyone to my channel. This is Eizy from RZ Easy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. This week I'm gonna review a Kotobukiya plastic model kit. It is Megami Device Bullet Knight Launcher, and this is Megami Device number 10 in the list. She has another sister, the Bullet Knight Lancer, that I will review her in my next video. So without further ado, let's get started. From this design, she looks like Mashu Kirillite from Fate series, but with different hair color and carries huge shield minus the long launcher. This kit costs you around 5,760 yen now on Hobby Search, and it was released back in 2019. And she has another design, which are the Bullet Knights Launcher Hellblaze 10.1 and the Bullet Knights Executioner number 13 that was released early this year. This is the box art, and this is the side view, all the details of the kit, and this side, and some information here by Kotobukiya, the face expression and water slide decal. This is the manual book and some information here and how to assemble all the parts, and the decals instruction at the back, and the manual book is actually pretty nice. Size comparison with Kotobukiya Fremam's Girl, Snail Shell GN Wolf 001, Bandai Figurized Standard, Kotobukiya So Size Shoujo Teien, Bandai High Grade Gunpla. And for the launcher, size comparison with Bandai High Grade Gunpla and Kotobukiya Fremam's Girl. She comes with 3 different face expression. This is number 1, number 2, and number 3. A set of grabby hand, a set of pointy hand, another set of grabby hand, another set of pointy hand, a set of open hand, another set of open hand, and lastly a set of fists. She comes with 2 different hand sets, and one with fully rubbery type, and the other one is a standard type of hand with plastic joint. You will get plenty of extra joints too in case you break some. This is the water slide decal, and you will get these 3 neck joints here, and one from the Fremam's Girl. This is the gold part here for the tights, so you can attach any kind of armor that you want to, because there's a 3mm hole there. And this is the extra internal joint here, and this part is for the arm, and this part is to replace the skin color part here. And this is the extra hat, the entire extra hat. This is the front bust, the size of it. This is the tights, the skin colored tight, and we have this shoes here, the standard Megami Device design. And this part here is for this hand, and we have a pair of kitchen knives where you can put it like that. For the articulation, you can move up and down, side to side like this, and wiggle wiggle wiggle. This part also can be moved, and at the back here, this wire can be bent like this, and if you pull this one out, yes, this is the wire. And movement here, side to side, back, forward, like so. And for the arm, can move up, and this part can move too, bend about this much, and rotation here, and this part also can be moved. And for the legs, you can remove this part, and there's a movement here, rotation, high kick, backward, and bend about this much, rotation here, and spread like this. And movement for the fit and pivot like so. There we go. This is the shield, the huge shield. Check out the details on this one. And at the back here, there's a plenty of option to choose from where you want to plug in this pack here. And at the front we have 2 holes, and there's a 3 action base included with this kit. This is the main weapon, the launcher, a very long launcher. Check out the details on this weapon here. It's a combination of white, black with some gold parts. And at the top view, there's a plenty of option to choose from. Either you want to use this hole here, you can put it into another hole at the back here, and it comes with plenty of handles, type of handle. There's a one like this and the other one like this. You can put it at the top here. It comes with pair. So other than that, there's another type of handle, this one. You can put it right here or maybe here. And for the shield, you can combine it with the launcher. Just attach the shield like this. This is the backpack, a fully articulated type of backpack. There's a lot of movement here. You can move it like this, rotation here. This part can move too. That, and rotation here. And this part can move like this and like so. And can bend forward, backward. And same goes with the bottom part here. There's a movement here. And then the side skirt can lift up and down, spread, and there's a movement here too. And same goes with the front part, and movement here. And there's a pack for the back attachment, and to attach it to the shield, just grab the shield and attach it like this, and grab the launcher, and there we go. And to attach it to the Megami Device, there's a pack and there's a hole at the back of Megami Device. Use that hole and you will get something like this. It's a pretty cool side skirt. I really like the sharp looking side skirt. There we go. There's a plenty of extra parts from the backpack. You will get this type of part and this pack here, and there's a tiny part here with the Megami Device logo, and you will get this part too. To use that, you can attach it any way you like this Megami Device logo at the back here, and use this part to extend this pack, or maybe you want to use this part to make another type of articulation and extend it more with this pack and add more of this part too, or make something like this. This is the rotation view of Bullet Knight launcher with her backpack and side skirts on. She looks pretty badass, and you can actually change her armor type into her standard Megami Device look. Use the extra hat, the skin tone parts, and change her fit. And it has the same articulation, not much different with or without the armor. Overall, this is an amazing plastic model kit. The plastic quality is the same like the other Megami Device. She got a very badass looking design, very sharp, so many cool poses you can do with it. And besides using the launcher as weapon, she also can ride on top of it, and there's an extra action base also included. And yeah, she has another sister. the Bullet Knight Lancer. I will review her in my next video. So thank you very much for watching, and I see you guys next time. Ciao. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Eizy Customizer Facebook page and my Instagram Eizy. The links are in the description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, reviews, tutorials, and many more, because here on Eizy Customizer we build, we share, and we inspire. See you guys next time. Ciao.